Question 1. Which of the following components is absent in smooth muscle? A. Actin. B. Myosin. C. Tropomyosin. D. Troponin.
The answer is D. Troponin. Troponin is a protein complex involved in muscle contraction, specifically in skeletal and cardiac muscle. It interacts with tropomyosin to regulate the binding of myosin to actin. However, smooth muscle does not contain troponin.
Question 2. What does calcium bind with during smooth muscle contraction? A. Calmodulin. B. Troponin. C. Topoisomerase. D. Actin.
The answer is A. Calmodulin. In smooth muscle contraction, calcium ions bind to calmodulin. This complex then activates myosin light chain kinase, which phosphorylates myosin, allowing it to interact with actin and initiate contraction.
Question 3. What physiological response is most likely to occur in a person exposed to high temperatures while exercising vigorously to maintain internal body temperature within a narrow range? A. Sweating and vasodilation in skin. B. Shivering and vasoconstriction in skin. C. Increased production of heat by liver. D. Decreased HR and RR.
The answer is A. Sweating and vasodilation in skin. When a person is exposed to high temperatures and exercising vigorously, their body temperature tends to rise. To maintain a stable internal temperature, the body initiates several physiological responses.
Question 4. What ions do O-sensitive channels in peripheral chemoreceptors respond to? A. K+, B. Na+, C. HCO3, D. Cl.
The answer is A. K+. O-sensitive channels in peripheral chemoreceptors are primarily potassium K+ channels. When oxygen levels decrease, these channels close, leading to depolarization of the cell membrane.
Q5. Where does the maximum water absorption occur within the renular tubules? A. PCT. B. DCT. C. LOH. D. Collecting duct.
The answer is A. PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. The proximal convoluted tubule is the primary site of water reabsorption in the nephron. Approximately 70 to 80% of the water filtered from the blood in the glomerulus is reabsorbed in this segment.